Health options. Before you watch this video, please click subscribe button and hit the notification bell. You will be the first one to know when we upload new videos. Today's video I'll teach the effective 7-day meal plan part 1. So let's start. The keto diet is low in carbs, high in fat and moderate in protein. You eat under 50 grams of carbs a day, your body in the end comes up short on fuel, glucose. This can utilize rapidly. It ordinarily takes 3 to 4 days. At that point you'll begin to separate protein and fat for vitality, which can cause you to shed pounds. It's important to take note of that the ketogenic diet is a momentary eating regimen that is focused on weight reduction instead of the quest for health benefits. So here are suggested meal plan for the rest of the week. Day 1. Breakfast. Sautéed greens with olive oil, fried eggs. Ingredients: 2 cups butternut squash cubes, 1 small squash, 4 tablespoons olive oil, divided 1 teaspoon kosher salt, divided 1 medium-size onion, halved and thinly sliced 2, 5-ounce packages mixed baby braising greens, 1/4 cup blanched hazelnuts, toasted and chopped 2 tablespoons dry sherry, 1/4 cup crumbled goat cheese, 2 olive oil, fried eggs. Instructions: sauté onion in remaining 2 tablespoons hot oil in a large skillet over medium heat 10 minutes or until onion is tender. Add greens, next 2 ingredients, and squash, tossing to coat. Sprinkle with remaining half a teaspoon salt. Cook, stirring often, 2 minutes or just until greens begin to wilt. Sprinkle with goat cheese, and top with olive oil, fried eggs. Lunch: chicken salad with avocado. Ingredients: chicken, 2 boneless chicken thigh fillets, 1/4 cup water, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon sweet chili powder, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 4 cloves garlic. Salad: 2 cups arugula, 1 cup purslane leaves, basil leaves, ½ cup fresh dill, a handful of cherry tomatoes, halved, 1 tablespoon olives, 1 avocado, sliced, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon nigella seeds, ½ tablespoon olive oil. Instructions: 2 tablespoons avocado dressing, or more depending on your taste. Prefer using boneless chicken thigh fillets for this salad because they have more fat and we find them tastier than breast fillets. Cook the chicken fillets covered in a skillet with about 1/4 cup water over medium-low heat until they release water and then absorb almost all of it. Drizzle a little olive oil, season with salt, thyme and black pepper. Fry both sides until golden. Snacks: stuffed celery. Ingredients: 5 celery sticks, 8 ounces cream cheese, softened, ½ cup green olives, sliced, 1 tablespoon cayenne pepper. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a medium bowl, stir together the softened cream cheese, green olives, salt, and pepper. Cut the celery sticks in half. Fill celery sticks with the cream cheese mixture and top with cayenne pepper. Dinner: pork tenderloin. Instructions: preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a fork, poke holes all over the pork tenderloin and stuff them with minced garlic. Then season outside of the tenderloin with 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt, pepper, and herbs. Heat 1 tablespoon olive oil over medium-high heat on the stove top and brown the tenderloin on all sides, about 6 minutes total. Add in the broccoli and onions and drizzle with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Bake for 15-20, until the pork reaches an internal temperature of 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the tenderloin to rest after taking it out of the oven for 10 minutes before serving. Day 2. Breakfast: keto egg casserole. Ingredients: 1 package breakfast sausage, 12 eggs, 1 package shredded cheddar cheese, 3/4 cup heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon minced onion, 2 teaspoons dry mustard, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and ground black pepper to taste. Directions: preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Cook sausage, breaking it apart with a wooden spoon, until browned and crumbly, 5 to 7 minutes. Spread over the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch casserole dish. Mix eggs, cheddar cheese, cream, onion, mustard, oregano, salt, and pepper together in a bowl. Pour mixture over the sausage. Bake in the preheated oven until firm and cooked through, 30 to 40 minutes. Lunch. Chicken Parmesan recipe. Ingredients: Keto chicken Parmesan sauce, 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 4-ounce can of tomato paste, 1 onion, chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 bay leaves, 3/6 sprigs of thyme, 4 basil leaves, chopped, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Chicken: 3 boneless chicken breast, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasonings, 1 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of ground black pepper. Topping: 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. 1. In a large bowl, season chicken with Italian seasonings, salt, and pepper. Set to the side. 2. To the insert of a slow cooker, add in sauce ingredients and mix together. 3. Gently add in chicken breasts, cover, and cook on low for 4 or 5 hours or high for 3 hours. 4. Once the chicken is cooked, add shredded cheese over the chicken and cover and continue cooking until cheese melts, about 10 to 15 minutes. Snacks: low-carb keto ants on a snow-covered log. Ingredients: 9 ounces celery sticks, cut into 3-inch long sticks, 4 ounces full-fat cream cheese, 1/3 cup pecan halves. Instructions: 1. Use a butter knife to spread cream cheese on each piece of celery. 2. Place 2-3 pecans on top of each celery stick. You'll need to cut some of the pecans in half in order to fit them on the thinner pieces of celery. Dinner: low-carb leftover pot roast casserole. Ingredients: 2 cups leftover pot roast, or roast beef. ½ cup leftover dripping, from roast. 1/4 cup milk. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 1 can cream of mushroom soup. 1 broccoli. 1 cup French's cheddar French fried onions. Directions: preheat oven to 350 degrees. Chop roast into cubes or shred into bite-sized pieces. In a sprayed or buttered casserole dish, mix the roast, leftover sauce from roast, cream of mushroom soup, shredded cheddar cheese, frozen broccoli and milk. If you thaw the broccoli before you add it, you likely will not need to cook for 45 minutes, but if you're feeling lazy, like me, then you don't have to thaw it. Just make sure you keep the casserole in the oven long enough to get warm. Top the mixture with the French fried onions. Bake in 350-degree oven for 30-45 minutes. Stir before serving. Day 3. Breakfast: green keto smoothie. Ingredients: 1 ounce kale leaves, ½ avocado, peeled and stone removed, 1 stick celery, chopped, 2 ounces cucumber, peeled, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, or regular milk, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, you can use any nut butter you like, 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice. Instructions: add all of the ingredients to a high-speed blender and pulse to start mixing everything together. Stop and scrape down the sides if necessary. Optional: add a few drops of liquid stevia if you prefer the smoothie to be sweeter. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh mint, or store in the fridge for later that day. Lunch: low-carb taco salad, Ingredients: 1 pound lean ground beef, 2 whole romaine hearts, 340 grams, chopped, 1 whole avocado, cubed, 4 ounce cheddar cheese, cubed, 3 ounces grape tomatoes, halved, 2 tablespoons sliced red onion, ½ ounce, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, or 2 tablespoons of homemade taco seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, Mexican vinaigrette, half batch cilantro lime vinaigrette, sugar-free sweetener to taste, for the honey. Optional ingredients: salsa, sour cream. Instructions. Preparation. Make vinaigrette per instructions. Chop and prepare vegetables and cheese. Method. Place the ground beef in a cold pan over medium heat. Work the ground beef in the pan to break up into tiny crumbles, about 7 minutes. Add the cumin and salt and pepper to taste. Alternately, use 2 tablespoons of my homemade taco seasoning. Let cool slightly. Place all of the ingredients into a large bowl and toss with the dressing. Top with a dollop of sour cream and salsa if desired. Don't forget to count the carbs. Snack. Buffalo chicken celery sticks. Ingredients: 2 cups shredded chicken. You can use leftover chicken, rotisserie chicken or canned. 1/4 cup mayonnaise. Half teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. 3 tablespoons buffalo wing sauce. 6 celery stalks cut in half, 12 total. Chopped chives for garnish. Instructions. Mix the chicken, mayonnaise, garlic powder, salt, pepper and buffalo wing sauce together in a bowl. Fill each celery stalk with the chicken filling and garnish with chopped chives. Dinner. Roast beef, cheesy Keto cauliflower mash and Keto gravy. For cheesy Keto cauliflower mash. Ingredients: 4c. Riced cauliflower. 1 teaspoon minced garlic. 1/4 c. Heavy cream. Half c. Sour cream. Half a teaspoon Nature Seasons seasoning. 1/4 of a teaspoon garlic salt. 1/4 of a teaspoon salt. 1 c. Mexi Blend shredded cheese. Half a teaspoon chives chopped, optional. Instructions. In a large saucepan cover riced cauliflower and minced garlic with water and bring to a boil. Boil 5-7 minutes until tender, drain. Add heavy cream, sour cream, and all of the seasonings. Using an immersion blender, blend until creamy. Stir in the Mexi Blend cheese until melted. Serve with butter and garnish with chopped chives if preferred. For Keto gravy. Ingredients: 2 cups pan drippings and water or meat stock. Half cup onion. 2 large egg yolks in small bowl. 1/4 cup butter flavored coconut oil or butter. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Strain pan drippings and add enough water or stock to make 2 cups. Place in a pot and reduce the liquid to thicken a bit by boiling down for about 10 minutes. Add onion to liquid and finely puree with a stick blender or high-speed blender. Cook the onion for a few minutes to further reduce the liquid. Remove from heat and slowly pour about 1/4 cup of the hot liquid into the egg yolks while whisking to temper them. Gently pour the egg yolk mixture into the hot liquid in the pot while whisking. Continue to whisk and simmer the gravy liquid. Whisk in the coconut oil or butter and stir until smooth. You can continue to simmer. Butter tends to thicken the gravy better than coconut oil, but the gravy will thicken more as it cools with the coconut oil. Note: if the gravy is not as thick as you'd like, you can add in a little glucomannan, gelatin, coconut flour, or xanthan gum to get the right consistency. This is the end of the first part in 7-Day Keto Diet Challenge. Look for the second part of this video by subscribing to this channel, or you may look link in the description below.